We're going to take a look at some of the resources that can be found at the KYDoSE support site. This is a Google site that has been created and is maintained by all the educational cooperatives in Kentucky. And they have added some beneficial resources related to our circumstances under COVID-19. So if you'll see in the header bar, there's a drop down under COVID-19, which houses administrative resources, instructional resources, parent, and then some staff consideration. So we're just going to look quickly at a few things that I think will be beneficial to teachers and related service personnel. So I'm first going to show you under instructional resources what you can find there. You can find the KDE Special Ed Co-op webcasts that have been being produced and broadcast each Friday after we began NTI. So you can see the recording and you can have access to the PowerPoint and any additional handouts that might go along with that. You'll see the topics that have been covered so far. There is an additional broadcast coming this Friday having to do with social and emotional SDI supports. As you scroll on down, there are instructional resources with links to things that support virtual education during this time and links to things such as social stories related to COVID, different webinars you'll see there as far as from other organizations like CEC for teaching online. And as you go on down, you'll see we have categorized some resources under specific focus areas: behavior, mental health, resources for low incidence teachers, deaf, hard of hearing teachers, and VI teachers, and SLPs, OTs, PTs. We've added some things having to do with guidance and direction for progress monitoring during our NTI period, as well as accommodations. So I won't take the time to click on any of those links. That's something you can do in your time once this video is complete. I do want to go up to administrative resources and just make you aware of some things that are related specifically to Kentucky that have come down from our state department, have come as a result of questions that have come up during this period that the state has given us responses to. There are links here to any of the superintendent webinars and webcasts that have been presented during this time. And then there are some federal resources there as well as miscellaneous. So I just want to make you aware of this. The rest of this website, there's a drop down with all the links to each of the co-op areas in Kentucky. There's information regarding the different compliance indicators, eligibility, and then there is a section for additional resources which may or may not be relevant to teachers. But I did want you all to see this information and know that it is there for you to access. What I would do is hyperlink this somewhere, put it on your favorites bar, somewhere on your desktop so that you have quick access to this. This is updated regularly. So stop by this site and visit under COVID-19 frequently to see what new resources have been added. Have a great day.